It is Monday, July 28th. Yesterday we spent the day putting a coat of clear coat on the camper, and we only had a little bit to finish on the front of the camper, a little harder to reach because of the pitch of the front of the camper. So I have gotten up there today and cleaned it, and we are going to continue on with clear coating. And we are using a Matthews Gloss Clear, very well stirred with a rolling additive and the catalyst. So it is a two-part clear coat. And I need mixing cups and stir sticks, and then I can get started. There we go. 3-1-1 mix, the 5, 5, and 5. Good. One. And rolling additive, which we don't need a full one of the rolling additive, but it does help it go a little smoothly. So a little bit of that there, and we're going to use a velour roller. We found that these don't disintegrate in this two-part clear, which can be a problem if you've got something that reacts to the two-part clear, which is a very, very reactive can be. And put your lid back on, because any kind of moisture, even out of the air, can cause a problem. We don't want that either. Adventure. Okay, so I have finished the clear coat here in the front. I think it really enhances the colors, and I don't think I ever covered that I put the Calamita letters up, the ones that are supposed to look like Airstream letters that I molded and painted. Yeah, they're in place now with very high bond VHB tape. I think that they should probably be pretty secure. If not, we can always go back and reattach them. And then yesterday, this gentleman here was assisting me with the painting. So we got the rest of it clear coated yesterday. And I really like how the different doors, the colors pop more now that we've got the clear coat on, don't you think?
I think so, yeah.
Like down here. And then day before yesterday, you were working some more on the cabinets after I made a little visit to you to interrupt you. So he's got more doors on. He's put latches on too. So that has been another addition. And he has started to work over here in this area. He's figuring out how the electrical is going to run through all of these. And yeah, just moving steadily along. So what do you think?
I think it's moving along.
Always an adventure?
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.